Hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be about trade breakdown again. So this is, I guess, I think ninth or 10th part of a trade breakdown. So today was pretty much a losing day. So lost about a less than 1%. You know, I lost the desired amount. Even I lost even less the desired amount, means the amount which I was comfortable to lose, I lost less than that amount. But still, then, um, what I was, analyzing after the in the post market analysis was the losses I made today can be much more minimized. For there are certain criteria, certain things which I'm going to explain you in this video, due to which I would have, you know, a less losing amount today, because you cannot as you can see here in the past, it has been already one two. So this is the account, by the way. I'm trading. So out of 8 trading days, only 3 days I lost. But the thing is, okay, on this day the loss is pretty much acceptable. But the thing is these two things, because okay, my winning days are much more greater in number, and the amount is also quite good in the winning days. But the thing is, in these two losing days, the losses are little bit much bigger if we compare to winning days amount. So what we get like what what is the one thing that we can improve to basically don't face these numbers? So the thing is, we can minimize our losses. So how we can minimize our losses? By booking partials. you know the best thing we can do is by booking partials. So by the way, this is a trade breakdown video, and I will be also sharing that how I and also you can you know minimize your losses, not cut out your losses, but instead minimize your losses in the markets. So first trade was on gold. So let me just, by the way, I only trade gold and GBPJPY. So first trade was in gold during, I guess, London session, and I pretty much held the trade, during New York session also, and during pre-New York session also, and also during London, and during London and New York session overlap also I held the trade. And the thing is, in gold, let's jump into the 1 day time frame. What I did was, we were pretty much bullish in gold, as you can see here. We For the day, we can see here, and if we see that there was a major daily resistance over here, and we yesterday we broke this major resistance, and we closed above this major resistance. So today, most likely, the price would have been bullish. So the thing is, okay, we developed a confirmation bias over here, which is absolutely great. So if we jump into the smaller time frame, a little bit smaller time frame, then we can get a clear market structure over here. On this 4-hour time frame, we can see we get another resistance, which we can use as a TP. You know, we can use this as a TP, but we will later on we will be thinking about take profits. But the thing is, in the 1 hour time frame, when we jump into the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we are just pretty much in bullish trend, overall in a bullish trend. But today we were today the market was, I guess, in a bullish trend, but during my trading window the market again reversed its direction. But the thing was, it gave me a pretty much big move. Let me show you, by the way. Yeah, So this is where I have entered, I guess. No, this is where I have entered. Yeah. So this is where I have entered. So the market actually, gave me, I guess, more than 50% of my target which I was aiming for. So my target was around here. Yeah. So my target was around here, as you can see, and my stop loss was below this, candle over here. So the thing is, my biggest mistake was I didn't book partials when the price was around here or here, because what I was aiming for is, I guess, 113 pips, 130, 114 pips. As you can see, I was aiming for 113, 114 pips as but you can see here that the market, from my entry point, you can see that this is my entry point over here, and from this entry point market has also covered till here. So this, gives us about 70 pip range, like 70 pip move. So if we basically calculate that 50% of 114, which 114 pips, so it comes out to be 56.5 pips. So basically 56.5 plus 56.5, if we will add, then we will get 113 pips. So basically market gave me a solid 70 pip move, and instead of booking partials in that time, I was just holding. So that was my key mistake. Like, holding is good, holding to your profits is good, scaling your profits is good, adding, like, scaling means adding more to your profits is good, but the thing is, most of the time you have to book partials, because when you book partials, this is not just for me, as I'm just video journaling the videos and posting it on YouTube, but the thing is, it's also for my audience who are watching. So the thing, when we book partials, not just we are putting money in our pockets, but still then we are minimizing our risk. Like, even if we don't trail our SL, but still then, if in this SL, like, I entered, I for example, I have entered with one lot, and in somewhere around here I partial booked 0.4 lots. But before, when I have entered here and put my stop loss here, the stop loss was for example, was for of amount $500, for example, for instance. And if I booked partials over here, which is 0. Let's say $0.4, so the $0.4, so remaining is 0.6 lots. So my position is still open with 0.6 lots. So basically, when previously, if I would have hit the stop loss with full one lot, I would have lost $500, which is okay, which is the amount I am willing to lose. But still then, if we now I will be losing less, because my opened quantity is 0.6 lots, and also I have booked some partials, due to which I have gained and I have made some money out of this trade, which will be if that will be added and and that will be adjusted to the loss, and the total overall loss will be little bit less. Okay, $500 is the amount I'm willing to lose, but still then, in the end, partial booking is the thing which will be which will help you to lose even less if the trade goes against you. Okay, you will be winning little bit less, you will be winning also less, little bit less, but not so less. Like, if you are, like, the TP will be of, let's say, for instance, this is 3-hour trade, so my my losing amount was 500, and 3-hour trade means 5 3 are 1500. Let's say I was willing to win, if the TP would have hit, I was willing to win $1500, but now I will be just winning, I guess, $1200, because I have booked partials here 0.4, and only I have opened is 0.6. But that's not a problem, because in the end, if the trade goes in the favor, you are still winning, and if the trade goes against you, you are losing less than your desirable amount which you were putting on the table on the risk. So the thing is, you are basically losing less. In the GBPJPY, what you can see here is that this is the trade. Basically, the same concept, the same setup. I will be not explaining to you anymore, like from 1 day time frame to 4 hour time frame to 1 hour time frame to 30 minutes time frame. So that's the same thing over and over again. I just put my, you know what you will say, I just put my entry over here based on the 30-minute time frame, as you can see here. So the thing is, over here, in the GBPJPY trade, I have no regrets because it didn't give me even 50% of the move. So there was no point of me closing some partials over here, and it also reversed back again. So I have no regrets. This was a good loss. I have no regrets anymore. But in the gold trade, what I would have anticipated was the price to move here up till this, it will be entering this zone. But still, then gold gave me a nice opportunity today to book partials and even to lose less. Basically, I wouldn't have lost, you know $500 over here, $550 over here, which is, I guess, okay, it's less than 1%. It was, this is the amount which I was comfortable to lose, but still then I would have lost less. So this was the video, guys. This was, pretty much the trade breakdown video. But the main focus of this video was how to minimize your losses. Basically, you can't cut out the losses, because if you are trying to cut out the losses, you are just not meant for trading, because this is a business, and business have expenses, and business have losses, and also business have profits. So treat your trading like a business, not a gambling. And this was all for the video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Peace out.